Rich, smoky and packed with flavors, today we are turning a simple sun-dried tilapia fish into a mouth-watering stew. If you have never tried this way, you are about to fall in love with the taste. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I start by roasting our sun-dried tilapia fish over the charcoal stove. This is not only removes impurities, but also warms and refreshes the fish after a long storage. I press the fish in a large pot, and I know where you're watching it from. Next, I pour hot boiled water on it. This softens the scales. Then I add in vinegar. In this, it helps to remove all worms, all impurities, and gives a fresh aroma. Then I start removing the scales from the tilapia fish. Now you can see how hot boiled water made it easy for me. Once cleaned, I place the tilapia fish in a pot. I add in water. I press it over the stove to boil for 45 minutes until tender. I kept checking on the progress of our tilapia fish, and here it is very tender. Meanwhile, we are going to start preparing our sauce. So here I have scallions, coriander, red onions, tomatoes and garlic, then green pepper. For the spices, I'm going to use curry powder, paprika, black pepper, chili powder, soy sauce, then 1 glass of milk, Royco. In another pan, I heat oil in a pan. I add in onions and saute them until soft. I add in my garlic. I have to make sure that it turns golden brown. Then I add in my spices starting from paprika, curry powder, black pepper. Now I toss in my tomatoes. I stir very well, then I cover the pot to simmer. Then I add in my scallions for freshness. I add in a little bit of water. Now it is time to add in our tilapia fish. Now I sprinkle in salt for flavor. Then pour in a glass of milk for creaminess. Add in mixed Royco. Add in green pepper. To thicken and enrich the stew, I also stir in more vegetable soup. For the final touch, I garnish it with fresh coriander. Then I use a dash of soy sauce for color. I add in natural chili powder for heat. And there it is, a rich, flavorful, sun-dried tilapia fish stew that is smoky, spicy and absolutely delicious. Perfect with ugali or favorite side dish. Would you try this at home? Comment below and let me know.